Hello guys, so today we'll make Adam's clasp. Okay, let's see how it makes. First of all, we have to take a uh, wire, a straight wire. Now we have to make mark on both the sides of a mesial and distal side of the tooth. You see, I'm making an marking on the mesial and distal side of the tooth, and this will be the undercuts area. This will be in the undercut area. And first of all, we have to make an 90-degree angle in the marking by an Adam's plier. You see how I made a 90-degree angle. You have to hold it in the marking and you have to bend it with the thumb. It will become 90 degree. You see. Okay. This is how it looks like. Next we have to make an loop at the close to the bend. Where I have given the bend and the close end, we have to make a loop, and this will be the arrowhead of the clasp. Okay, this is arrowhead of the clasp. Now we have to close the arrowhead of the clasp in both the loop. Okay, you see how I close the arrowhead. Now the next part is we have to make an 45-degree angle. This is how I made a 45-degree angle. You see. Now I have to adapt and see whether it is adapting on the cast or not. I'm adapting again and again. You have to adapt again and again to see whether it is adapting, and according to you have to adjust, and according to you have to bend it. Okay. You can see in the video that I am adapting again and again, and accordingly I am making adaptations. Okay, you see. Now I have to make bands according to I'm marking, and this will be passed over the occlusal plane. You see. You see. So this is the way that is adapting. Now we have to make another marking so that it's adapt beautifully in the palatal area. Now you see how it is adapted on the cast, and this is the part retentive arm. This is the retentive arm. There is a three parts in the Adam's clasp. One is a bridge, that line that is a parallel to the occlusal plane, that is called bridge, and two arrowhead is there, and two retentive arms. There are more Adam's clasp are there, modified Adam's clasp. So this is a normal Adam's clasp. So now at last we have to make an loop on the end, on the retentive arm. Now I'm making, this is the loop, and loop should be fetching each other. You have to hold it at the end with an universal plier, and then you have to bend it. So this is how Adam's clasps are made. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and be part of this channel. Thank you so much.